Alright, this is just a quick little video. I've been playing with this little Heltec tracker board, which is a HTIT tracker. This is used for doing LoRa. I'm using this for connecting to Radiacode radiation loggers, which is a company that has sponsored me for their radiation detectors. And I've been using this little 3D printed case for it, which does fit, but as you might imagine, I had to make some changes. And I'm still catching up to speed with Fusion 360. I've been an AutoCAD and Autodesk inventor guy for many years, and Fusion 360, my personal opinion, they took the worst bits out of them all and combined it. But I'm getting there. So I made a bit of an alteration, and this one now should hopefully fit this in a little bit more snugly than the previous one, and everything should fit in place. If I've got my measurements right, they are snug. And I may need to reprint this with an extra millimeter or so on the end. We'll see. Is it going to go in? It's going to tuck in all right. Nope, it's going to go in. There we go. Oh, I've just woke it up, but it will fit. Let's push it all in the case a little bit more. Okay, so it dropped in all right. And there will be an acrylic lid to go on the top. This is the old one. I've got to obviously reposition some sizes, some holes and whatnot, and the little buttons are made out of acrylic. But this side of the case works all right. Looks like our USB is going to line up. Looks like our SD card's going to line up nicely too. And the battery fits in well. So I think we're doing good. So that's the new case. This is the old case. And obviously, I had some issues when I went to modify this solid in Fusion 360, and it was no longer a solid at that point. So I've had to learn how assemblies work, and they're a little different. But in any case, it's now in a nice purple case. And I think it's a bit more robust. It sits in there properly. There's a little stop to stop the SD card slot dropping down too low. And we should be able to, if I turn this off, reinsert the SD card. Give it a look here. Get to tweezers here. This should give us ample room to drop this back in without too much difficulty and push in like that. That's good. And it keeps it so we're not going to bump that or flush or like it's flush below that, so we're not going to bump it by popping it in and out of pockets. I could probably put a little 1mm chamfer on the bottom here so the brim doesn't get in the way, but that's nothing I can't fix with a little bit of finishing. In any case, yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Hope it was interesting.